Hello listeners, today we're going to make a new video for you unboxing the new Luxman L-507Z integrated amplifier. The Japanese amplifier is the first model of a new series of Luxman integrated amplifiers. So here we have the Luxman 507Z integrated amplifier. The Luxman has 2x 110 watt amplifier at 8 ohms and even 210 watts at 4 ohms. Also, it's got a new Lequa attenuator and above all the Luxman Live's integrated feedback engine system. The connectivity of the Luxman. We have 2 pairs of loudspeaker connections, 2 balanced XLR connections, a phono MM MC preamp and 4 line inputs. Further, the Luxman has a pre-out and a main input. This helps you to use the Luxman amplifier in a home theater setup. Also, we have trigger inputs outputs to switch on the main power on other Luxman components. And of course, the AC input. Let's switch it on. So here it is, the Luxman 507Z amplifier, which is ready for demonstration in our new premises here in Hilversum at the Borneolaan 25. Please come over and feel free to come and listen.